Hi, Emily. So I'm going to show you how to get the summary report to send to me. So come up to the search and type student summary report. So it should pull up like that. And then I would star it so that when you go back here, it'll be in your favorites. So, because you'll do that one a lot. And then you're going to want to select the correct period. So we don't have let's see, let me pick somebody from period 3. And then whatever you want to show, I usually just leave it all for now. And then if I don't want something to show, I'll go back and delete it out, but usually it's fine. So let's just say you want one student, unselect it, or unselect all of them, and then select just the one student you want. And then I say generate PDF, and it's going to pull up all the information for that one student, and it's going to show, let's see, their overall grade, but then it's going to list by assignments what they have, and then it'll show all this information. So if you don't want the comments, you could come back up here and unselect comments or unselect parent. You don't need the parent signature, don't need comments, that kind of thing. Okay, so then once you generate the PDF, I always just save them to the desktop. So I go like I'm going to print and then save them to the PDF, and it'll save it to the desktop. And then when you email someone, it'll just, you can attach it. Okay, hope that helps. All right, bye.